Hi there, this is Albert with Trading Diary, and I'm happy to announce the second video on this channel, Trading Diary. I haven't opened any new positions this week, so this is week 45, 2024, and as you know, we had the elections in the United States of America. And I closed my positions just the day before, as I didn't want to lose anything due to gap downs or a strong market reaction. And I'm really happy with this, and I haven't had any FOMO, and I will explain you why in this video. I also did some changes, so better camera with a better image quality for you guys and for me too. I'm really appreciating the better image quality. I also added a new screen or a new window to Thinkorswim in order to get a better sentiment of the market. So the new screen that I added is here. It's the SPY with its moving averages, it's the Qs, and it's the VIX. So I've got these three here, and I'm also taking every day, I'm taking a screenshot and I'm adding this to my trading diary or to my trading journal, so that when I'm studying it or when I go back, I know how the market was at this point in time when I bought this particular stock. Now let's go over the positions of last week. So I had CLS really nice, really nicely up. Look at this. So even if you missed this breakout here, you could have got in on this break here. This was a really nice pullback on low volume. Look at this high volume move, and then pull back on low volume, and then increasing, going further up on increasing volume. Can't get any better than this. Really nice move. So from 65, what does it say? 65.90 up to here. This is the 31% mover. Really nice. And this with the risk, let's say on the risk on the day, 6%. So this would be a 5-to-1 risk reward trade. Really, I'm really happy with this trade. Honestly, I'm even proud of myself. So yes, so this is CLS. Then DGT here. DGT, I bought it here. Then it had a really nice move. I didn't take anything off. Then it undercut here and even undercut my risk for a couple of dollars. And then it came back up, and now it gapped down and it is bouncing off somewhere. The 50 EMA, let's see where this goes. On the weekly, it's a bit tough to tell. It looks like a massive, looks like here, bounce from the lows here, going up. It might stay within this region here. Let's see where it goes. I don't know. I have no idea on this. I mean, the trend is not clear here. The 200's going nearly horizontally. So I don't know. Let's see. It's got really high ADR though. I don't know. Let's see where it goes. Then ITCI, really nice trade too. Look at this. I mean, on the weekly, we had this consolidation here, then breakout, then retest of the consolidation, and then break again. So I've seen this a couple of times already, that a stock will be consolidating here, breakout, retest the former resistance, which now is support, and then go and take off. And it did it here. So from the breakout, perhaps here, it's really a strong move. Like, let's see, from the breakout here, it is like 16%. Really nice move. Really nice. And look at this. So we had this massive move on high volume, then some consolidation, and then I think, and then a move upwards. So yeah, 6%. I mean, it's not that much, but It's good. And then LRN, another nice trade here. I'm really happy with this one too. Look at this. And we can see the repeating pattern. Look at this. Move up, consolidation. Then break of the consolidation. Another consolidation before going higher. I mean, it's the same thing, right? It's the same thing as ITCI here on the weekly. Look at that. I mean, consolidation, break of the consolidation, another consolidation with a retest of the support or resistance, previous resistance, and then going up. I mean, I will investigate a bit further into this pattern. I've seen it also in the book of William O'Neill. I've seen this patterns a couple of times, so I think seems to be a repeating pattern. Let's see. So another thing I would want to talk about is why I didn't have had any FOMO at all. The thing is that I'm really happy with the trades as they were. I'm really happy that I took off my profits in order to reduce my risk. I could also have taken like 3/4 or something like this, left some in the market, but I was like, nah, just take it off. And then the other thing is that I found really strong stocks, which means that my screening process is getting better and better and better. And this is one of the parameters in my screening process is that it should be within the 10% of the 52 weeks high, which comes from Ivan Ivanov, I guess, if I remember correctly. So, and then we can see that it's going for new highs here. In fact, this one is going for new highs. This one is going for new highs, and CLS is going for new highs too. So there is no overhead resistance or little overhead resistance. So the stock has got massive potential to go higher. This is why I'm not having any FOMO at all, because I know that I found these stocks and I can find these stocks again and again and again and again. And I can have over and over and over and over really strong stocks that I am invested in. And I can continuously make money. So I'm really happy with the screening process. I'm really happy with the stocks I bought. No FOMO at all. Really nice. I'm really happy. Seriously, I'm really happy. I don't know if I said it already, but I'm really happy. Anyway, another thing, guys, I would like to talk about is that I saw, like, when I was recording last week's video, is that I did too much strategy hopping again. So it is a thing I've been guilty before. It's that I take a strategy, I stick with it for a couple of days, weeks, or whatsoever, and then I get kind of bored, or I don't know, and then I add something new, but then I neglect the other strategy. So I've got losses because I'm adding this new strategy and I'm not really familiar with it. So I've got to get to know it first and all that stuff. So strategy hopping. So now what I want to do is like, I think I will stick a poster up on the wall which says like, stick with your strategy, or one strategy only, or something like this. Or even the name of the strategy, which would be like breakout trading. And then I will put it up, and this is it. And then there's another one which I remember SMB Capital, they are saying that they have got a writing on the wall which reads like one good trade or something like this. So one good trade, and that's it. You need one good trade. And then another good trade and another good trade, right? So these are the two posters I will stick up to my wall behind my trading station. And then I hope that I can pull myself. No, I know that I can pull myself every time I see now that that I'm going off my strategy, I will pull myself back and laser focus on my strategy. Another thing is that I've been watching YouTube videos. There's so much information. There's an overload of information. So filter your information. Look for what you want to watch and look at your strategy. Go for the strategy you want to trade and then look for the content which is on this strategy and not on something else. I've been guilty of this too. I click around and then you see this and this and this. And I go, oh yeah. But in fact, I'm just dispersing my time all over and I'm not really working on the strategy I'm actually using, right? It's nonsense, useless. Get rid of this, focus on your strategy and get it laser sharp. So traders, this was the video for the last week. I discussed the positions I had. I have opened no new positions, so I start screening all over again, look at my watch list that I've got. I will also pull myself back every time I'm getting off my strategy. I will pull myself back. It is breakout swing trading for me that I have to nail down. So it is, and I will do it. So I wish you all very nice trading for the next week. Have a great week and enjoy your time, enjoy trading, enjoy life. And happy to see you back next week for another video. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.